Nababalance nga nila ang mga books nyo para kay love life.
Sa bagay, no?
Pero malay mo, di ba?
Pero siguro on my viewpoint, pag nagmahal ka ng accountant, wala lang panahon yan para mangloko. Kasi, di ba, busy.
So, walang lalaking accountant na babae?
Ay, hindi ko naman yun masasabi sa lahat.
Nag-a-apply lang nga sa mga babae yun, eh, Kuya Chico.
Baka,
no?
oo nga.
Oh,
Pero ang ganda ng slogan ngayon ng Miss Earth Philippines, no? Mga Diyosa ng inang kalikasan, no?
Di ba?
Oh, and truly, kayo naman mga mukhang Diyosa naman talaga.
Anong advocacy niya, no, Cristel, pag if in case you win?
Saving oceans po through smart programs. Magsisimula po sa local communities, engaging them para po magkaroon tayo ng sustainable alternative solutions for reducing plastic waste sa ocean.
Dapat.
Oo nga, kasi di ba maraming mga animals yun nga.
Yun nga po, marami nang sa Facebook, ang daming mga pictures, videos na ang daming namamatay, ang daming...
Nakakaawa.
Naniniwala ka ba sa sirena tsaka dugo? Ano? Shokoy? Hindi ko sa kalito. Hindi ko sa ocean kasi, ocean eh.
Oo nga. Malay mo nakakakain din silang plastic, di ba? Di ba we should be concerned dahil pag namatay yung mga, naku, wala na tayong sirena. Imagine mo yung suot niya, no? Plastic na, no? Look what I found. Hindi na mga shells yung suot-suot niya, no? Plastic na.
So more on, kumbaga marine life ang focus mo
Opo,
naman.
opo.
Bakit? Kasi coastal community kayo doon.
Coastal community po, tsaka I work in a canning factory po. So I have a lot of friends na...
Canning?
Canning factory.
Canning ng?
Tuna and sardines.
Okay, tuna and sardines.
Akala ko kaning bahaw.
Iba, naglalata, Brad. Can.
Okay. Okay, sorry. My bad. Sorry, ba't nyo kasi ako sinama dito? Hindi ko alam yun lang yung kaning. Alam ko bahaw eh. Madalas ko kasing kainin niya. Kaya look at me now. Kaning. Diba?
Ayop ka. Alright, sige. Cristel, invite mo na sila. Instagram mo, Facebook mo, lahat na.
Hello po, good evening. I'm Joanna Cristal Cabresas. You can follow me on my Facebook account, Joanna Cristal Cabresas, or my Instagram account, Joanna Cristal. And hopefully you will support your favorite candidates. Pero andun din po kami. Sa May 19 na po ang aming Coronation Night, SM Mall Arena. And meron din po kaming ongoing online voting for Miss Photogenic. I hope you support your candidates. Pati love and share. Yan po. Thank you.
Alright, that's Cristel.
Yeah!
Yeah!
Okay.
Now we have Zara. Yan, si Zara naman. Zara.
Pwede pong Z na lang.
Si Z.
Yes po.
O diba?
Z.
Masasabi. Z.
Yes,
Diba?
mula sa Las Piñas City.
Bakit Z?
Z kasi ang tunay na pangalan ko is Zahra, and yung mga Pilipino syempre nilalagay nila ng phlegm kasi mukha siyang parang yung rinig nila is Arabo.
Kasi Arabic, di ba?
Arabic talaga
Zahra
yung name.
Yun talaga yung the proper way to pronounce it is Zahra.
Zahra.
Talaga?
Zahra.
So para po sa kalaman nila si si Zahra.
Parang nahirapan ka doon.
Ay, from Palestine, Palestinian ka. No?
Kaya Z na lang kasi
Z.
pangin pakinggan kapag
Z.
mali yung pangalan, di ba?
Kami nang bahala,
Pero
Zahra.
ang ganda kaya, di ba? Ang ganda kaya pag na-pronounce ng tama, di ba? Kasi
Kaya mo ba?
Zahra. Ikaw nga?
Zahra.
Bakit nasobrahan po ng phlegm?
Kasi nagpunta ko ng Bahrain, ganyan din
Bahrain.
sa airport pa lang eh.
Bahrain.
You should call our
Hindi
country
siya
the
Bahrain.
proper way. How to say it? It's called Bahrain. Bahrain.
Ganun na nga po minsan.
Bahrain.
It's like our friend Ahmed. You know?
Ahmed, yes.
Dead terrorist. Right, Zara.
Yes po.
Tell me something about yourself. Yung una kanina ay pharmacist,
Yeah.
tapos CPA.
CPA.
Napakabibigatin itong mga...
Kaya nga eh. Si Z kaya.
Well, yung mga ganyan ACADS, hindi ko masyadong inintindi ng college ko.
Yan, gumawa ka na, no?
Kung ganyan pa naman kaganda eh.
Oo.
Wala naman po. Actually, ang importante kasi sa akin that time was more on communication. So,
Okay.
dati po naging radio and TV personality po ako. And kasama ko din si Papa Jackson sa Kabilang Buhay. Pero,
We worked together kay Chico dati.
Yes, and of course, ngayon po, naging entrepreneur po ako ngayon. So, meron po akong sariling talent and events management company.
Uy, anong talent mo kay Chico?
O marami akong talent, di ba? Kaya kong mag-balance ng pentel pen sa nguso.
Wow! Wow! Wala pa akong ganyan talent sa
see?
akin.
You should get me. Like right now.
Ano costume?
Ang costume ko lang fitted na na
Anong kulay?
skin tone.
Skin tone?
Yes. Ayaw nyo ba nun? Maganda kaya yun.
Hindi ko alam kung pwede yan sa children's party.
Pwede, kunyari kamote ako. Okay, kids, ito rin kamote.
How many? Ano yan? You own the company?
I own the company. I made it 3 years ago. Kasi that time, marami po akong pinagdadaanan. Sabi ko, sige, mag-business na lang kaya ako. And then, syempre, napag-isipan ko na host ako sa mga events. At marami that time na kapag Christmas, syempre, ang daming sunod-sunod na mga events. At yung iba, hindi ko makukuha.
Nag-host ka ng wedding?
Nag-host po ako ng wedding. Wag lang po yung funeral. Lahat po nagagawa ko, wag lang po yung funeral.
Ang hirap naman kasi mo.
Oo, di ba? Ang hirap maging masaya doon.
Ang
Living yun
hirap
eh.
talaga.
Hindi sila magka-clap eh.
Hindi, kasi alam mo, may narinig ko lang to ha.
Opo.
May curse daw ang pagiging best man or kaya bridesmaid at saka ng host. Merong host daw kay Chico ng event ng wedding
Okay.
na pag siya yung laging host, eventually nag-iwalay yung mag-asawa.
Ay, ganun?
Meron. Kaya magandang selling point yan pag market mo sarili mo, sabihin mo, pag ako po nag-host ng wedding nyo, hindi kayo mag-iwalay kasi swerte ako.
Sasabihin ko nga yan.
May
Ganun pala yun?
ganun. May
Pwede.
simbahan din kay Chico na pag doon kinasal nag-iwalay.
Ay, may alam mo kung ganyan
Oo.
din.
So for sa akin, wala pang nahihiwalay na couple.
Oh,
So,
sabihin mo swerte ka.
eto na,
Maganda.
swerte na po ako.
Especially when you get asked, di ba?
Ay,
Siya yung
yes.
host.
Sa events.
No, yung mga talents ko, puro mga host and VO
Oh,
lang.
di ba? Oh.
Sample lang mo, B.O.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Wow! Pwede na, pasok ka na.
See? I'm telling you.
And I'm telling you.
Oh,
Do you sing? Do you sing?
I do sing.
Oh, really?
Sige nga.
Kay
Sige.
Chico, kay Chico.
I am telling you. Okay, go. It's your turn. Hindi pa patalo. Hindi pa patalo.
Competitive po yung mga
Correct.
beauty queens. Lahat na nandito po. Kami po yung mga medalist ng talent competition. Di ba? Lahat tayo. Ay,
Anong key yun, Brad?
Key
lucky.
Lucky. Correct.
Ayun po.
O, diba?
Zara, okay, matanong ko lang kasi nabanggit natin na Palestinian ka na.
Yes.
Alright, how long have you been staying in the Philippines?
Since 2005, so 13 years.
Okay, do you still know how to speak your language?
Yes, marunong po ako.
Okay, pwede bang batiin mo yung mga nakikinig sa atin ng magandang gabi at sabi mong ang pabogi ng mga DJs ng Energy FM?
اوكي مرحبا لكل الناس بالميدل ايست. بحكي لكم هلا انه الدي جي تبعنا كثير حلوين وهم بيعطوكم السلام عليكم لكل الناس بالميدل ايست. فضلكم اتفرجوا عليهم بالفيسبوك وضلكم تسمعوا على انرجي اف ام.
Hindi, alam mo sinabi niya iba eh.
Ano sabi?
DJ na taba na. Iba. Naiintindihan ko yan. You have to remember, I went to Dubai.
Grabe niya mataba tayo, Brad.
Ano eh.
Bastos to ka na. Hindi ko to kaya.
Hindi ko talaga pwede sabihin na mataba po kayo kasi di ba bawal nga ang baboy sa doon.
Sa bagay.
Sa bagay.
Sa bagay.
Hindi ka nakakalimot sa language mo.
Hindi po kasi yung nanay ko talaga kinakausap kami ng Arabic. Lalo na kapag nagagalit, kaya dapat makinig.
Oo, di ba? Pero parang ang sarap pakinggan, di ba?
Oo.
Feeling ko, naniniwala ko, Arabic is one of the hardest language.
Languages?
To learn, yeah.
Kasi ang hirap talaga,
Kala ko
di ba?
Ilocano.
Sa bagay, mahirap
Mahirap Ilocano.
Oo,
Wala nga lang
pero
biro, ha?
nakaka-amaze ako. Gusto ko matuto niyan.
Ay, inaantay ko tumalsik yung laway niya, Brad. Kaya pinagano ko siya.
Hindi
sample.
naman, pag
Ay.
may mga, wala namang...
Hindi kasi kung if you're from Asian country tapos maririnig mo kahit over the radio lang yung
Arabic.
yung nagsasalita, feeling mo lagi may lumaway eh. Totoo na, di ba?
Siguro pag galit, kasi halos lahat ng mga curse words may
Talaga? Actually, kahit di ka magsalita, gano'n ka, galit ka eh. Pero ang galing na-amaze ako doon.
Oo, nakaka-amaze talaga, no?
Hindi ko lang alam kung totoo yung sinabi niyang
Totoo naman. Pa-translate, Google Translate mo na lang.
Ang hirap kaya.
2005,
Ang hirap.
13 years na po.
13 years
Yes
na.
po.
You plan to stay here for good?
I do. Kasi syempre, nagmamahal talaga ako sa mga Pinoy dito sa Pilipinas.
What's the best culture of your country that you want?
To bring here,
Yes.
yung pagiging prangka. Kasi dito lahat sila nahihiya. Halimbawa may nangyari, may sinabi ka na hindi mo gusto or may sinabi yung kaibigan mo na hindi mo gusto, kinikimkim mo na lang kaysa sinabi mo na, alam mo girl, hindi ko gusto yung sinabi mo. So, in the end, sinisiraan na lang nila
Alam
behind
mo
the
kung
back.
bakit? Paliwanag ko. Kasi Filipinos are very sensitive.
They are.
Diba? We really have to
We are non-confrontational creatures.
Yes.
hindi tayo combative eh. We're not
Kaya
combative.
lang, ang pangit naman dyan, just like what you said, no, pag hindi mo yan kinimkim mo, ang mangyayari niyan, tendency niyan,
Lalong nagagalit.
pag-uusapan nyo siya behind the people's
Yes.
back, diba? Kaya
At sa trabaho, nagiging inefficient na po siya.
So you don't take offense?
I don't take offense.
Basta totoo lang.
Basta totoo lang.
Oo.
Tsaka ganyan, bawal nga kami ng plastic eh. Kapag hindi mo sinasabi yung totoo, edi plastic na rin yun. Or kahit hindi mo sinabi at all. Sa Miss Earth Philippines or Miss Philippines Earth, bawal magsabi ng, bawal ang plastic. Pati tao, bawal.
Gano'ng katagal mo na akong pinaplastic, Brad?
Hoy, excuse me! You're so judger.
Judger.
You're such a judger. You're judging me like there's no tomorrow.
Alright, Z.
Yes po.
Invite mo na sila.
Ayun, so ini-invite ko po kayong lahat na manood ng ating Coronation Night. Tulad na sinabi po ni Cristel from Zamboanga City na May 19 po yan sa MOA Arena. Kung hindi po kayo makakanood ng live, pwede po kayo manood sa Facebook. At please, i-follow nyo naman ang Miss Philippines Earth or Miss Earth Philippines sa Facebook and on Instagram. On Instagram naman, it's at Miss Earth PH. Sa akin naman po, kung gusto nyo po na mag-follow or mag-stalk sa akin, it's at ZB Saldua, at ZBSALDUA. Ganun din po sa Facebook. Thank you!
Yan, Z.
Yes.
Si Z ng Las Piñas. Alright. Pang-apat na dilag, Kuya Chico. Ito, i-challenge natin to kasi Canadian to. So medyo
Canadian, yeah.
fluent to sa sa English.
Sige.
So Tagalogin natin to.
It's okay, naintindihan ako. Go ahead, sige. Or Tagalog Lessons 101 na yun. Tonight
Sige.
we'll learn Tagalog Lessons
Tagalog
101.
Tagalog 101.
Okay. Sabihin mo ang salitang
Sabihin mo ang salitang nakakapagpabagabag. Nakakapagpabagabag.
Nakakapagkakabagan.
yan pa lang yung ano pa lang yan
Easy,
easy pa lang. Nakaka pag bagabag.
Pagabag.
Okay. Pasok.
Okay.
Okay, ito yung next ha.
Okay, sige, go.
Tayo ay mangulabikob sa pinangulubikuban, kapangungulibikob ay mangungulubikob na naman.
Sobrang hirap yan.
Ano to eh? Anyways, this is Jean from Bulacan.
Hi, Jean from San Rafael, Bulacan.
San Rafael.
San Rafael.
Pangilang exit yan? Pangilang exit?
And Lex.
And Lex.
Hindi ko alam.
Hindi ko alam.
Pang 32 na exit yan.
Kasi nanay ko taga Santa Maria eh. Bukawi exit kami.
Oh.
Alright. Malapit kami sa sa McDonald's ni Maine Mendoza. Malapit sa bahay namin. Alright, Jean. Tell us something about, we learned that you're from Canada.
Yes, I'm from Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Prior to my move to the Philippines, I was a financial advisor and mutual fund specialist.
Okay, define hedge fund. May alam ako, Brad. What is hedge funding?
Hedge fund? Oh, can I have the next answer? I did mostly retirement.
It's a scam, actually.
Retirement planning.
Retirement fund?
Yeah,
Okay.
retirement planning.
Let's just talk about hedgehog.
hedgehogs.
Ano
Alright,
ba?
Financial Advisor.
Yeah, I did so more like retirement planning. I
Okay.
did like that. Education funding and mortgage loans. And
Mortgage loan.
Yeah. So like more like for houses and stuff like that. I funded things for houses and stuff like that. Yes.
Kuya Chico, ba't may iwas ka?
Hindi, ano na nga eh. Pababay na ako eh. Bye. Bye guys.
Nahirapan ako dito, Brad.
Bye guys.
Alright, usually your clients are like
Young and old.
Young and
old, yes.
if in case Kuya Chico would like to buy his house, so what would you ask him? Like,
Well, I would
how much-
ask him, what are you looking for? What's your future plans? How long do you plan on staying here for? Oh, Tagalog lang. Ganang Tagal gusto mong stay here at sa bahay mo?
You know, as much as I would like to answer you in a wider perspective, but I just can't. But since you asked me about what I'm looking for a love that, you know.
Sa bahay mo, ang love?
Sige na nga, kayo na nga.
How long have you been here in the Philippines?
6 months now, since December po.
Kailan lang?
Yes.
But you've been here before.
Opo.
And yearly?
Yeah, every second year.
What made you move to the Philippines?
Of course, it's more fun in the Philippines. That's
But there
why.
must be a turning point, right? What is
Yeah.
that one thing that...
You know what? To be honest, I went to work every day, 9 to 5, and I'm like, there must be more to life.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is your favorite thing about Philippines?
I love the people here. Everyone is so nice, and it's, I don't know, happy-go-lucky.
you
Maybe
been-
because right now I don't really have a big responsibility coming from a corporate life to now. So that's.
So what do you do every day other than joining the pageant?
Right now, I've just been. I don't even know what a normal life is anymore. I've been so busy with the pageant, but just looking for things to do, looking for friends, basically, because I have no friends here.
Really
I
now?
basically left my whole life
In Canada.
in Canada, and I came to move here. Yeah,
Okay.
so I'm looking for friends.
You've got 3 friends
I
tonight.
got 3 friends here.
All right. So have you been around the Philippines?
Yes, I have been.
What's your favorite food in the Philippines?
Chicharon.
Brad, pakisabi na.
Kasi you know why? I'm on the keto diet. So I gusto ko yung high fatty foods.
Really?
Oo.
Can you explain to us what the keto diet is all about?
Because many people are doing it right now.
Oh,
yung
it's-
keto diet. No?
Yes, it's super popular here. Just high fat. That's it. High fat, no carbs. Pero it's
High fat, no carbs.
yeah, but it's so
Okay.
hard. It's hard kasi yung kanin, gusto ko yung kanin.
You like rice?
Of course.
You're
but,
really Filipina.
But, yes, of course. But
Pero
I can't
diba,
have it now.
amazing. How does it help yung body mo kung puro fats?
Kasi you're getting rid of all the carbs and the sugars. So your body is using the fat as fuel.
Ah, okay.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm a fuel.
You said it, naman. You said, that's why I had to stop myself.
So I realize I'm a fuel. I'm a premium fuel. Hey,
Kasi totoo lang totoo. Marami kasing Pinoy ang nagpo-post sa kanilang mga walls na
Oh,
I'm on
doing
keto
the keto
diet. Diba?
diet.
Pero
Diet.
kito-kituhan lang naman yung iba eh. Masabi lang nagkikito para magmukhang mayaman eh.
It's parang yung, like, it's like a cult now. It's like, oh, sorry, no, I'm on
Actually.
keto.
It's an excuse to eat something fatty, no? Oo, di ba?
Kasi, yeah, I can eat sisig. All that.
Oh,
Chicharon.
diba?
What's lechon? Lahat yan. I can
but
eat
of
it.
course no rice.
Of course.
No rice.
Yes, no
Madali
rice.
lang yun. I don't
No
eat rice for
fruit- no
14
fruit.
years now.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Sinungaling. I don't believe you.
Yeah.
You're so
14
sinungaling.
years now. No rice.
Totoo?
No, I'm not kidding.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Wow, good for
Me
you.
too, no rice. Just the rice cooker. It's fine. I mean,
Anong brand?
different brand. Kiowa, like that. I don't know, standard.
So what is your plan after the pageant?
Well, I'm gonna claim it. So after the
Ay.
plan, I'm gonna be after the pageant, I'll be very busy with my reign. So that's what's gonna happen. I'll be busy working with Miss Earth.
Really?
What would be
Yes.
your advocacy na lang para...
My advocacy is to, just because I lived abroad before, I want to bring international standards to the Philippines when it
Okay.
comes to recycling.
Recycling.
Yeah, and the
No to plastic talaga itong mga to.
and
no?
disposing of waste. Yes, because it hurts me when I see plastic bottles in the garbage. They shouldn't be there. Yeah,
Where are they supposed to be?
in the recycling bin. In the recycling bin. They need to be.
In your bag.
How old are you?
I'm 25.
25.
Yes, I'm
See,
turning 26 soon.
Christelle is
23.
23. Sorry, we didn't ask. Si Joanna is 22.
So,
And this is Ate Z. She's 26. She's the oldest. Thanks, Jean. She's the oldest. Not me. Just saying.
Brad, nahihirapan ka na, Brad.
kaya nga.
Active ka naman sa ratla. Sa kanya lang hindi.
At dito na nga lang ako, nakatingin na nga lang ako. Sige lang, mag-usap lang kayo. Okay na naman kami dito. Okay guys, mag-usap tayong iba dito. Dito tayo.
So do you plan to move in the Philippines for good?
Not for good, but we'll see how long I can last here for. But I do want to stay here for a couple years.
Oh, really?
Yes.
All right. Okay, so invite our listeners tonight to follow you wherever they can follow you.
Hi guys. So as well as what Joanna said, I will be at SM Sukat tomorrow for our final talent competition. Z will be there. We'll all be there tomorrow. So watch us perform, and please follow me on Instagram. It's Jean DJ _ and then my Facebook is Jean De Jesus. So hope to see you
Pinoy na
guys.
Pinoy, no? Very Mexican, De Jesus.
Jean De Jesus.
Very Mexican.
Yes,
All right.
yes.
I'll go back to Z. Z, I wasn't able to ask you, what is your advocacy? Nakalimutan kong tanungin eh.
Okay. So yung...
Kasi party, di ba, you host events.
Opo.
Oh.
Yung advocacy naman bilang entrepreneur, since meron akong business, it is ecopreneurship. So, hindi naman siya talagang
Is that a
bago.
term that you just invented?
No, it's a real term.
Is it? No
Hindi
way.
lang, real term
What's the
talaga
term?
siya. Ecopreneurship.
Walang ganon.
Meron.
Wala.
Meron na just a few minutes ago.
Meron talaga.
Ecopreneurship.
Yes, ecopreneurship.
Define ecopreneurship.
Yung ecopreneurship, actually meron talaga dito sa Pilipinas, marami. Tulad ng metal straw, imbes na gagamitin natin ng plastic, binibenta na ngayon ang metal straw. So basically, ang ecopreneurship ay creating businesses and products na nakakatulong siya sa ating kalikasan. So
Okay.
anything that focuses on helping the environment, yan po ay ecopreneurship.
Okay.
So nagbebenta natin tayo ng mga tumblers. So imbes na plastic cups or paper cups or styrofoam cups, ang tumblers po ay business which is ecopreneurship.
Okay.
At maganda po yan kasi nakakatulong
Ano
sa
yung nasa
pamilya.
7-Eleven? Yung bag?
Eco bag.
Eco bag.
Kasama din po.
Kasama yun.
Yes
Bags.
po.
Usually sa mga supermarkets sa mga ganyan eh.
Yes, sa SM. Actually, kapartner namin din ng SM Supermarkets at ngayon, pinagbabawalan po onti-onti sa bawat SM na mag-plastic.
Actually, no, the entire purpose of eco bag is that you use it again.
Yes.
You bring it the next time you go to the supermarket and use
Yes.
it, but we don't bring it back.
Yan ang problema.
That's the reality.
We just buy every time. I can afford. It's 99 pesos.
Ako din ganyan.
Pero kami kasi, meron kaming palaging eco bag sa loob ng bag namin or kung may kotse po kami, meron kaming dala. So yan yung mga sinasabi namin na para hindi nyo makalimutan, iwanan nyo sa mismong bag ninyo o kaya sa kotse ninyo.
Well, that's the thing with you girls kasi, di ba, yung bag nyo may bag na, may ref din doon.
You have a
You
big
have
bag.
everything, di ba? You have almost everything in your bag.
Bakit
Pero
ba?
usually kasi kami, wala naman kami mga
Parang
bag.
mini department store.
Correct,
Mini,
actually.
Di, parang gulo. Di, eto mo lapit. Pag tinignan, from a guy's point of view, pag tinignan mo yung bag ninyo mga bahay, sobrang gulo, but you know where to find things.
Alam niyo ko siyang sulok yan.
Yung phone ko nandun sa kanan
Okay,
yan eh,
oo.
katabi ng lipstick ko.
Yung susi,
eh.
I think it's somewhere here.
Diba?
Alam mo na yan kung saan yan.
They know where to find it. Anyways, I remember you wanna say thank you to your Grab or
Yeah, so girls, let's say it. 1, 2, 3. Thank you to Philip Morales, our Grab driver.
Philip Morales.
Thank you so much.
Di ba ang lambing-lambing? Para pag tinigyo ka, they said thank you to me. I'm gonna sleep now. Parang ganon, parang manghihina ka bigla.
Anyways, thank you very much and good luck to all of you. I hope you all win if that's possible. But
Yes, it's possible because there's only 4 of us and there's 5 winners.
ikaw na ba? Fourth round.
There's just, really?
You could have you could have the main crowd.
Okay. I will. I will.
Thank you very much, Joanna, Cristel, Zara, and Jean. Anything more that you want to add?
Maybe we can share the hashtags para sa ating Miss Earth and of course ang Diyosas namin. So ako po ang Diyosa ng Kasaganaan and I'm letting you know to use the hashtag MEP goes plastic free or Miss Earth Philippines goes plastic free.
I am your Diyosa ng San Reciclo and I'm telling you guys to say no to plastic.
Ano ulit yun?
Diyosa ng
Shows of what?
Diyosa ng San Reciclo. The goddess of recycling.
Okay.
Yun ang Tagalog niya?
Hindi ko rin alam. Hindi ko rin alam.
Maybe I'm just saying it like incorrectly.
San Reciclo?
Because I'm from San Rafael, right? So San is what I'm keeping.
So
okay.
recycle.
So Reciclo is recycling.
Hindi ko rin alam. Meron palang gano'n. Recycle.
Reciclo.
Reciclo.
Alright.
So I'm Diosa de las Marijadas. So Chavacano term yun for Goddess of the Waves. Hoping that you help us save our oceans.
Oh, parang ano lang, no? Parang subok lang, wave.
Well, since I'm from Lipa City, the Little Rome of the Philippines, I'm your Diyosa na Inang Milagrosa.
Okay. The little what?
Little Rome of the Philippines.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Little Rome of the Philippines.
Yes.
Why?
We do have lots of churches and cathedrals
sorry, it's
there.
the first time to hear that.
Oh.
Oh.
So area na yung halos tabi-tabi yung mga churches.
Okay. Alright. Now I know. Thank you for informing me. I will pray later.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, the beauties from Miss Earth Philippines 2018! Yeah.
Thank you.
Mga bangga, that's Joanna, Cristel, Zara, and Jim. Please follow nyo po ang kaganapan ng Miss Philippines Earth. And in the meantime, we'll play songs para busan nyo lahat. Pangga, we are number 106.7 Energy FM, Pangga.
Huwag mo sabihin radyo, sabihin mo.
Energy!